Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Monday. This is Darlene stopping by. I'm sitting here making some pendants using some leather beads. So this is one of the little pendants right here. These will make really cool artistic boho bracelets. They can be hung with leather, suede, nylon, cotton, cord, just any kind of cord a creator would want to use to create something really cute. Also, some chain would be good. I thought I had some chain up here somewhere. A chain would even really be nice. A gold chain. I'll put that gold chain through there, and then this would be a really nice and very unique necklace. So I have two more beads left. I got to make some more of these leather beads so I can make a nice amount of the pendants. And I am going to be putting them on my website, and I am going to be using some to make some necklaces for fair. So all I did was cut a nice little piece of wire. I'm going to put a bead on here to start off, so a little small bead, because these beads have a pretty big hole. So with a pretty big hole, what you see right there, I'm not going to put a charm on the bottom. So if I put this bead on with a pretty big hole, I would have to make the wire with a really big loop to prevent the bead from falling off. And that's not even like an assurity that it's not going to fall off. So I'm going to start with one of the smaller beads to protect and prevent this bigger bead from falling off. So that's what that'll look like. And then I can just go ahead and put just a reasonable size hoop on the bottom of this. And then I am going to just fold the hoop over. So we're going to do it like that, and then that's what that looks like. And then we're just going to throw one of our leather beads on. Real simple, real easy, like that. And then we will put another one of these beads on. Just real easy, real simple ones. And it's like that. And then I am using the yellow protective eye beads. I got these at Michael's, so I figure I would just go ahead and use them. And then this is what the pendant would look like. So all we're going to do is hold our pieces like this, grab a wire, go ahead and bend that wire over, and just start wrapping the wire. And then this is what this comes out looking like. Just a really cool pendant. I'm going to bring the wire all the way up here so I can close it off. So I'm just going to wrap the end of it. Go ahead and close it down. Sometimes the wire's a little tough to close, and you got to make sure you got it exactly in the right place where you can smash it down on there. You have to smash it closed and then hide the end inside of the other wire like what I just did. So this is going to be the second charm, not charm, but pendant, and I'm going to just take the end of the wire, go ahead and fold it down, smash it, because I don't want the hoop at the bottom like that. Straighten this little part up right here. And then we got just some little leather pendants. And I can see these hung with either leather cord or maybe a gold chain, the link chain. Then we're going to go ahead and do another one because I got one more leather bead. And I am going to go ahead and make some more leather beads so I can make a lot more of these. and different colors. This is that Amazon wire. This is not the Joann, the Hildy and Joe wire. And I really don't like this wire. So I'm gonna have to find some wire that's as close as the quality of that Hildy and Joe as I possibly can. And it's bad because once you get used to working with a certain product, it's like, oh my God, do I have to be going through this transition like this? Okay. And I guess so. So I'm gonna go ahead and just curl that end up like that. And it does not even have to be that big because all I need to do is prevent the big bead from falling off. And then we're just gonna take that bigger wood bead, and you can see how that little shell bead covers that big hole, and then we'll just flatten that. And then we're gonna put our bead on, our leather bead. Slides right on. I really like these. Just real simple, easy dangle pendants. And then we'll take another, and I didn't want to build it up too much. I figured 2 beads, the leather bead, a good small bead to prevent it from falling off, and then one of the yellow protective eye beads is like just enough. And I wanted to use these beads, but I'm not really sure what I wanted to do. And I didn't want to really make necklaces with them. I mean, bracelets with them. So I said, well, let me see what else I can do. And I said, okay, well, I'll make some cute pendants. Just go ahead and fold our wire. Go ahead and wrap it around. And I'm not going to use all the wire because I really don't need to. And then we're just going to go ahead and cut it. I could always use this extra wire because it's a nice long piece for a charm. So it's not a wasted piece of wire at all. That's a charm. And we're just going to go ahead and close that little piece down of the wire. Take our pliers, go ahead and smash it into there. So that end is not poking out. And then this is what we got. This one seems, so that's this one. And then we will take that bottom wire that we got right there. Go ahead and fold that down. And then that's what we get. So we got 3. We got 3 pendants, and these are just really cool, easy pendants that can be strung and hung from leather, suede, nylon, cotton cord, thin link gold cord. Very unique, very different, very light, and they're leather pendants, just that easy. So there's a link in the description that'll lead you to these pendants if you are interested. Also below this video, you should see that that carousel at the bottom, and you should see these pendants in the carousel below the video if you're interested. But anyway, darling, night for Jewelry by BDK, and guess what? We'll talk.